The Endometriosis Wellness Practitioner Diploma is a Gateway Workshops online course designed to fit around your current lifestyle needs. This course was created to develop your knowledge of endometriosis and the physical and psychological impact that it can have, and will help you to use this new awareness to enhance the well-being of yourself, a family member, and clients who suffer the symptoms. Through this course, you will learn about endometriosis, the types and stages, and gain insights into the management options, including medical and non-pharmacological options. You will learn about pain relief, hormone therapy, and surgical interventions, as well as dietary and lifestyle changes that can help manage the symptoms of endometriosis. You will also learn about coping mechanisms that you can use on a day-to-day basis to manage the condition effectively. This course will also provide guidance on communicating effectively with healthcare professionals, advocating for your health, and the right questions to ask to receive the care you need. Once you have completed the course, you will receive a professionally accredited and approved certificate, allowing you to use this knowledge with the general public and charge. Join the thousands of students who are trained with an award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors. We offer massage, beauty, and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.